Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speed English. Have you ever wanted to speak English confidently in daily life, but didn't know what to say? What if I told you that learning just 30 simple sentences can help you handle many everyday conversations? In today's video, I'm going to share 30 daily English sentences that every beginner should know. These are simple, useful, and easy to remember. So listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's improve your English together. Number 1, good morning. Number 2, how are you? Number 3, I'm fine, thank you. Number 4, what is your name? Number 5, my name is Maya. Number 6, nice to meet you. Number 7, where are you from? Number 8, I'm from Sri Lanka. Number 9, how old are you? Number 10, I'm 20 years old. Great job! If you know these sentences, you can already start a basic conversation in English. Let's continue. Number 11, what are you doing? Number 12, I'm studying English. Number 13, can you help me? Number 14, yes, of course. Number 15, thank you very much. Number 16, you're welcome. Number 17, I don't understand. Number 18, can you repeat that please? Number 19, please speak slowly. Number 20, that's a good idea. These sentences are very useful when talking with friends, teachers, or even people you meet for the first time. Now let's learn 10 more important sentences. Number 21, what time is it? Number 22, I'm hungry. Number 23, I'm tired. Number 24, let's go. Number 25, see you later. Number 26, have a nice day. Number 27, I like this. Number 28, I don't know. Number 29, excuse me. And number 30, goodbye. Awesome! You have just learned 30 daily English sentences that beginners can use almost every day. But here's the secret. Don't just watch this video once and forget about it. Listen to these sentences again and again. Repeat them out loud. Try using them in your daily life. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Remember, fluency doesn't come from learning thousands of difficult words. It comes from using simple English every day. Even native speakers use simple sentences in their daily conversations. So don't be afraid to start small. Every sentence you learn today brings you one step closer to speaking English confidently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Speed English, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future English lessons. Also, write your favorite sentence from today's lesson in the comments below. I'd love to see your answers. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.